Welcome to a new SessionBox 1 tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore the fingerprint protection in SessionBox 1. Browser fingerprinting is a technique used by websites to track users by collecting information about their browser configuration and settings. SessionBox 1 use a full set of fingerprint protection mechanism to protect you being detected. Let's discover by pressing the context menu on a preferred profile and choose Edit Profile. Here you can find your user agent and your screen size. If you need a new fingerprint by any chance, press Renew Fingerprint. In result, we can recognize that the current values have changed for a new one. The protection has been updated. Let's discover how could we achieve the same options in Workstation. On the top right corner, we can find the fingerprint icon. By clicking on it, we can see the same information's added just like in the pop-up. Also, we have the same option to renew the given datas. If you want to explore all the finger protection options, just go to Settings. Let's examine them one by one. A WebRTC IP leak occurs when the real IP address of a user is revealed through WebRTC features in a web browser, even when using a VPN or proxy to hide their actual IP address. In this initial section, you have the option to conceal your local IP or display both local and public IP addresses. If you choose full protection, local and public IP turns hidden. Canvas fingerprinting is an online tracking technology that uses the HTML5 canvas element in browsers to uniquely identify and track users without traditional cookies. Mock fonts is a method of browser fingerprinting that identifies users based on the specific set of fonts installed on their device. This unique identifier can be exploited for tracking and profiling users across different websites. Disabling media device enumeration in web browsers prevents websites from being able to list and identify the media input devices available on a user's device. Thank you for joining us in this video, and keep an eye out for our upcoming SessionBox 1 tutorial.